Oda, how's life? How are the wife and kids and the dog?
Oh, being a mother.
Being a mother and father, wow.
Retake.
What I enjoy most about working at Chromebook Parts is my coworkers. Everybody here is just really cool.
Just the people around here. There's ways in which we can turn on a dime and be able to really just affect a positive work environment and a positive experience.
They make you feel like you've been here for a long time and you're just never feeling left out of anything.
The environment is definitely the best. Everyone here is super friendly and welcoming.
You actually feel it's more than just a job. You can actually have genuine conversation and get to know how people stay.
Aw, made new friends. Don't have to go outside and freeze to death. I'm liking it a lot better than my old job.
The people here, they're awesome. Everybody's really outgoing. It's fun. It's really fun here.
It's definitely different from any job that I've ever had. I enjoy the people and management as far as what they try to do for their employees.
Everybody, just the people here as one. That's like the best. The work environment is amazing.
Everybody's really funny and really nice and helpful. The second thing that I think is really great about working here is the extent that the management and ownership goes to really take care of the employees here. It's very special.
What I like most about working at ChromebookParts.com, it is a great environment. People like you and everyone who decides to pitch in and get involved. Really just some great people to work with.